हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि हाउ यू कैन जनरेट PDFs slides from ChatGPT. So is it possible? Yes, you can now generate any PDF, any slide you want from ChatGPT by just using this prompt. The prompt is given in the link description, so you can copy from there and send it to ChatGPT. So let's start the demo. So first, hi. As usual, they tell me again greeting message. How's your day going? It's good. Okay. So how you can generate PDF? So first I will show you a demo to generate a PDF. Make a video on how to learn how to get a high paying job in 3 months. Instead, I think in Canvas some problem occurs. So now see how ChatGPT generates a PDF for you. So see here guys, download the PDF option is given. So when download it, the PDF is downloaded here. So see here guys, how to get happy job in 3 months. 1 to 1 to upscale, build personal brand, networking, applications, practice, deliver job portals, 1 3, all is mentioned. So here is a demo of how to generate PDF. So now I will show you a demo of it. Try. So see here, ChatGPT also making a slide for me. You can also copy this code and run your VS Code also and change text as accordingly to learn Python if you are interested to learn Python. So see here guys, downloading file. So ChatGPT makes me a PPT presentation without any doing. See here. One-to-one foundation. See here guys. 1 2. Yes. Now you have your productivity will definitely increase by using this feature on ChatGPT. You can generate content, you can make PDFs, you can make slides accordingly. So thank you for watching the complete video. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, Mr. AI. So see you again. Thank you guys.